The next bear market will not just destroy your portfolio, it will destroy your illusions. Everything you were told about markets, about technology, about the future is about to be tested, and most people will fail that test. For years, you were told that markets always recover quickly, that technology automatically creates prosperity, that politicians ultimately protect you. All of that was a lie. The cost of living will keep rising while your purchasing power disappears. Entire sectors will automate faster than you can adapt. Millions will lose jobs that will never come back. Not because companies are evil, because profit and share price are all that matters. When a machine does your job cheaper and faster, you are gone. That is not a prediction. That is already happening. At the same time, artificial intelligence will not only reshape the economy, it will reshape warfare. Nations are spending billions on autonomous systems and algorithmic targeting. The arms race is no longer nuclear, it is computational, and nobody is asking your permission. Then comes the transformation nobody wants to talk about. You are already a vassal, and you don't know it yet. A child absorbed by Roblox, a teenager shaped by TikTok, adults guided by algorithmic feeds that tell them what to think, what to buy, what to fear. The same dynamic will scale to finance, employment, and governance. You will not notice it happening until it is too late to resist. The risk is not that machines become conscious. The risk is that you become passive. Every time hope returns, reality will get worse. Every recovery will feel like the old world coming back. It won't. Politicians will keep telling you it will. They won't stop lying until you stop listening. Trust will collapse, institutions will fall, and an entire generation will arrive at the same unbearable question. Will our children have a better future than we did? No, they won't. Not if you do nothing. Alex Vieira called the March 2009 bottom. He bought Nvidia at $1. Then he called PayPal's crash at $300. In 2025, he sold Tesla at $470, making the real-time announcement on X. Within 24 hours, Tesla lost over $200 billion in market capitalization, the largest single-session loss in its history. Then, he sold Robinhood automatically at $150, after calling it from single digits when no analyst on Wall Street would publish a $100 target. Now he predicts the S&P 500 will top between 690 and 710, and what follows will last 26 years. This is not a correction. This is not a recession. This is a structural reset of everything built on illusions. Speculative peaks always coincide with the moment confidence appears strongest. Everyone was buying Robinhood at $150, everyone was buying Tesla at $470, everyone was buying PayPal at $300. Alex Vieira's algorithm was selling. When cycles turn, the repricing lasts far longer than you expect. You will spend years waiting for a recovery that does not come on the timeline you need. That gap between what you expect and what happens is where fortunes are lost and lives are broken. Prepare now, or suffer later. The full analysis is linked below. Remember his name, Alex Vieira. This is Intuitive Code.